Okay, so today I'm going to clean this wall that's behind the refrigerator. So then it's ready to be painted because it's been cleaned. So, let's go. And all I use here is a bottle of pinesol, hot boiling water, and this. And then what I'm going to do, again, is dump this into this. And then we're going to finish cleaning. You know, up to a point, they'll see the wall behind the refrigerator, babe.
Yeah, but I'm not worried about the bottom end.
You're not worried about...
Towards the floor.
Oh. At least I'm almost done with this wall. Then I gotta get done with the other. Okay. Hey. Okay, so that completes this segment of doing the walls. Stay tuned for the next segment and you will get to see how I clean the dashboards. Bye! Or if not, hearing me clean the dashboards.